Key technical parameters such as maximum speed, maximum relative centrifugal force, RCF, capacity limits, and temperature control are important indicators for assessing the performance of a centrifuge. Technical specifications. Maximum speed parameter measures the highest rotational speed the centrifuge can achieve, typically expressed in revolutions per minute, RPA. Importance determines the centrifugal force generated and the speed of separation. Maximum relative centrifugal force, RCF, parameter, calculated from the maximum speed and rotor radius. RCF is measured in gravitational units, g. Importance influences the efficiency and effectiveness of sample separation. Capacity limits, parameter, refers to the maximum volume or number of samples the centrifuge can accommodate. Importance determines the throughput and suitability for specific applications. Temperature control, parameter, specifies the temperature range the centrifuge can maintain, often with precision to plus or minus 0.1 degrees C. Importance critical for preserving sample integrity and preventing degradation. Rotor compatibility, parameter, indicates the types of rotors the centrifuge can use, including fixed angle, swinging bucket, and zonal rotors. Importance offers flexibility and adaptability to various experimental needs. Noise level, parameter, describes the decibel, dB, level of the centrifuge during operation. Importance important for maintaining a comfortable working environment. Safety features, parameter, includes safety locks, alarms, and automatic shutoff mechanisms. Importance ensures safe operation and protects both the samples and the operator. Timer functionality, parameter, specifies programmable timers for controlling the duration of centrifugation. Importance automates the process and ensures precise timing. Understanding the key technical specifications of a centrifuge is essential for selecting the right instrument that meets the specific requirements of your laboratory. To learn more about our range of centrifuges, or if you have any questions regarding the key technical specifications, please contact me through my email provided on my homepage. I will respond within 24 hours.